Hello everyone, welcome back to another demo from KingAsterisk Technologies. In this video I will show you how to log in as an agent and make a manual calling using our custom VICIdial theme. Let's get started. First open our website and go to live demo section. Here you can explore different dialer themes available for testing. For this demo I am selecting theme number 8. On this page you will find the demo login details along with the agent portal button. Now click on agent portal. The agent login screen will appear. Enter the phone login and phone password. Next enter the user login and user password. After that select the campaign from the campaign drop down menu. After entering all the details, click on the submit button. Your browser may ask for microphone permission. Click allow to continue with calling. The agent dashboard will now open successfully. You can see the dashboard provide calling tools, customer information, call control, comments and agent script in one easy to use place. Now let's make a manual call. Using the dial pad, enter the phone number you would like to call. After entering the number, click the call button. The system will start calling the entering number. You can monitor the dialing status and call processing directly from the screen. This is how simple it is to log in and make a manual call using our custom VICIdial theme. Complete VICIdial customization services including custom theme, branding, layout design, features development, installation, integration and technical support. If you are looking for a fully customized VICIdial solution for your business, feel free to contact our team. Thank you for watching this demo.